Welcome to my channel, my amazing followers. You always bring me so much joy with your presence and fantastic support. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, I've got a delicious and super easy dessert recipe that you can whip up anytime to impress your kids and guests. Let's get started. First, we'll need 5 pieces of cream cheese. Place them in a bowl and beat them well with an electric mixer until smooth and creamy. Then add 3 tablespoons of powdered cream and pour in 1 cup of cold milk, continuing to mix until the mixture is well combined and the cream thickens. If you're a chocolate lover like me, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to change the color and give the dessert a rich chocolatey flavor. Now that the mixture is ready, fill it into a piping bag or a regular plastic bag and set it aside. Next, grab your choice of biscuits and crush them into small pieces, not too fine, not too big, so they add a nice crunch to every bite. Prepare the glasses or cups where you'll serve the dessert. Start by layering the crushed biscuits at the bottom, followed by a layer of the cream mixture. Repeat the steps again with another layer of biscuits and another layer of cream. You can adjust the number of layers to your liking. Add more layers if you prefer thin layers, or keep it at 2 thicker layers if you enjoy more cream. For the topping, I personally love adding chocolate chips on top of the final layer of cream. It gives the dessert a beautiful look and adds a sweet touch. You can also add fruits like berries or strawberries if you want to switch things up. Now, here are a few tips to help you achieve the best-looking dessert. First, when you're filling the cream into the bag, avoid pressing it too hard so that the layers come out evenly and beautifully. Second, if you're storing the dessert in the fridge before serving, cover the glasses to keep the cream from drying out and losing its smooth texture. Lastly, if you're making a large batch for an event, prepare the ingredients the day before and keep them in the fridge, then just layer them up when it's time to serve. In conclusion, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your ongoing support and encouragement. You truly are the biggest motivators for me and this channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share the video with your loved ones. And if you try out the recipe, share your experience with us in the comments. See you in the next video with a new and tasty recipe, God willing. Stay well.